Welcome crafters. I'm so excited to introduce to you our kits for February 2020. These are our volume 2 kits, and I just wanted to show you what we're going to be making this month. So first up, for our Club G45 program, we are going to be making this super fabulous calendar tag album along with a cute little DIY treat box that we're going to be making. You can make one of those for each month with the leftovers from our album. And then with our Club G45 kit, you're going to get this 12 by 12 collection pack, as well as the die cut assortments, matte pearl gems, and 2 large sets of our black tags, along with a project sheet that's going to show you how to create those projects step by step. And all of this has been created for us by our fabulous Maria Cole. For our G45 card club, we are going to be creating these super fun Z-fold cards. These have been created by Ginger Ropp of My Sister's Scrapper. And in your supplies, you'll get enough to create 6 cards. Plus you'll have lots of goodies left over as well. So it'll be a lot of fun. With this G45 card club, you'll be getting an 8x8 of our fashion forward paper pad, along with the stickers, the ephemera and journaling cards, some black cardstock card bases and envelopes. They're a really nice heavy duty card, fun to work with, along with the purple rose bouquet set from Graphic 45. So we hope that you join whichever club works the best for you, or both of them. As you can see, you get a lot of really good fun goodies that you can use all year long. So go ahead and hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and then join us for the tutorials. Thanks so much, and happy paper crafting.